actually works. It's super cool. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it.
Hey crew, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to get Game Guardian on iOS and Android in 2025. So as you can see, I got the Game Guardian app. So if you want to download it, guys, what you need to do is get on your browser and go over to zoomods.com. So this is the website, guys, where we can download it. So once you're there, just type Game Guardian and press on it, and before it downloads it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You got to download 2 apps and follow instructions. 100% free, guys, from official app store, and this will install Game Guardian into your phone. So it's literally that easy. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. And you can see it's only 21 megabytes, which is awesome. So it's really not that big. So basically it says missing files and you need to download 2 of these apps. So Lucky Match, for instance, it says reach level 11, so I could do that. Or I could do like Underdog Casino, which also is run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you guys do 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but if you guys go in the app store, you will see Game Guardian doesn't have it. So I'm gonna search it. So let me just type Game and then Guardian, and as you can see, guys, it's not here. There's the fake happy mod though. So anyway, guys, that's how I get Game Guardian. zoomods.com. So be sure to try us out, guys. It's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but if you guys are interested in getting Game Guardian for iOS, you have got to watch this video entirely because it actually works, guys. Super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and you too can install the Game Guardian into your device. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, and peace out, my gang.